All right, this will be the elevator at Macy's, Mall at Grace Ridge, Rochester, New York. We got an old Montgomery elevator here. G&P call station. Let's get a cab view while we're up here. This thing looks awesome. Epco circle line on the inside. The way this panel's set up reminds me of the old Sears at Southern Park.
Yeah, this is the exact same design that Eastern Hills had at their Macy's. The only thing that was different is they still had the original square buttons.
Ah, dang. I wish I could have seen that one when it was open. 2,500 pound capacity.
I believe the Macy's at Eastern Hills too, they had 3 of these frames rather than just the one in the center. They had 3 down along the back wall.
Door closes when we push the button, like that. Go ahead and then downstairs. This thing's still cool. Even though this is a slap-on mod, this is still cool. Very much untouched otherwise. From, what was this building originally?
This was originally McCurdy's.
Okay. And then Sibley's?
Was McCurdy? No, Sibley's actually, ironically, Sibley's became Bonton, McCurdy's became
Okay,
Macy's.
that's
There was
interesting.
A lawsuit that actually happened that caused the stores to switch.
Oh, dang. Any day now. Come on. I'm gonna get clave because of the music. It's okay. W.